So we have the poles up, put the hummingbird feeders right there. Sorry. Yeah, this is the only time I can film, and unfortunately they're doing something with the tree. But I put my grow table here, and I'm gonna place my tomatoes right there. So today I'm gonna go ahead and plant them. So I purchased 11 vegetable plants here. Most of them are all tomatoes except for a couple of pepper plants. Alright, first I'm gonna use up my last bag from last season, the G&B Organics Harvest Supreme. I'm gonna use that one up first. Now, as you can tell, I potted it halfway. Now I get to add some of peat moss in each of these containers now. Now I'm going to add in some of the earthworm castings. I like to add about a handful. Gonna mix it up a bit. Make like a little bit of a hole here. Then I'm going to just add about a tablespoon of the bone meal before I place my plants in there. Now these are my absolutely favorite of them all. tomato Juliet. Well, actually, that's not true. This is one of the many that I love. The tomato Juliet. So I'm ready to put those back in. I'm gonna take these, pinch these bottom little leaves off, squeeze the bottom just like so, so it gets easy to just kind of help it out. And I always like to massage the bottom a little bit just to kind of help it. And this one can actually go further down. So, I like to take these guys and place it somewhere there. I forgot. I have a vegetable ace tomato. Really like these. But look, I got 2 plants in one. So I'm gonna use the last 2 for those. Alrighty, garden time. These are the pots. As you can tell, they've grown. Some, I added the cages on these 5 right here. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna string them using these staples. And we're gonna twist it around. And then it goes above on this pole. Ta-da! And that will give them the support, and then they'll grow with the string. This is our second time, right? Yeah, second time. Last year it really helped. It was awesome. Highly suggest doing this for your tomato plants if they don't have to be in the cage. These ones are larger tomatoes, so they need the support of the cage. These are the small little cherry tomatoes. Different varieties here. Oh my goodness, look at all the strawberries. Ooh, that is going to be loaded. Loaded. I got another strawberry plant here. And my strawberry tower. Crate tower. Look at that.